Go ahead.
See the grease floating in it?
Yeah.
That ain't nothing. That ain't even nothing. I ain't cleaned the pipe coming back to the septic yet. That's what was laying in the bottom of the pipe.
Oh my Lord.
Get stuck on checker, see? That's all what was laying in those half pieces.
Yeah.
What was laying in the bottom of the pipe.
That is grease. This is why you don't put grease down the drain. Oh my stars. Wow. Last night, it's Crystal Drano, professional strength, 100% lye. This is what we were getting ready to put down our drain. And then he went under the house and found the clean out, well not a clean out, where two pipes were connected, where they had cut the pipe in two to make it easier to clean it out. So we didn't even use this, so we're going to take it back. And I'm so glad we didn't have to use this. To keep grease from getting in your drains, take a jar, doesn't matter what kind of jar, this just happened to be a spaghetti sauce jar, and pour your grease inside the jar and then throw the jar away. This has got grease in it. This is turkey grease, but I didn't want to pour it down the drain for the exact reason of why we just showed you. Put it in a jar and then, or a can, and put it in your garbage and let the garbage people pick it up or take it to wherever you dump your garbage, at the landfill or whatever. Do not dump it down your drain.